Hi guys, welcome back to Midshire TV, the channel for all of your business communications technology needs. Today we're going to be looking at the Polycom VVX450 IP handset, the most popular handset within our range. Let's get straight on and take a look. As you can see on our small reception console here, we've got a selection of IP phones from vendors such as NEC, Yealink, but it's the Polycom VVX450 that we're going to focus in on today. So the first thing to look at with this Polycom VVX450 IP handset is, how is it going to look on my desk? And as you can see, this is a very aesthetically pleasing model with its piano black finish and its high definition screen. This particular model that we have here has got the EM50 expansion module, which has several buttons, 30 to be exact, with a scrolling function as well that would suit any receptionist in your organisation. This can be detached just by simply doing that. And as you can see now, that single handset on its own wouldn't look out of place on any executive office desk. Guys, I don't know anyone who prefers to look at a shoddy phone on the desk for 40 hours a week. The VVX450 is a 12-line performance IP desk phone with a colour display. Well, what does that mean? Well, the first thing that we can notice is that it does have a screensaver on the front that can be personalised with something that is a bit more personal to your good self. Personally, I've got a family picture on mine, freeing up a bit of desk space where I used to have a photo frame. Okay, let's move on. Looking a bit further down the phone, we've got a home button which you can access the directories if you have one, or also some features like do not disturb or placing your call into forwarding mode. Going further down, we have a transfer button, voicemail, placing someone on hold, and up and down volume keys. On this side we have headset mode, speaker, so you've got a built-in speaker on this device so you can make a phone call and listen to it and speak on speaker rather than using the handset itself, and also a mute button as well, so you can mute the call if you just wish to speak to a colleague while in call for a few seconds, for example. Standard 12-button keypad, which can be used as you would normally expect. Guys, what I like about this phone is that it's dead easy to use and simple to get to the features that you need. This phone features HD voice, so the handset that you will be using and the sound quality is absolutely excellent. Okay, so just to elaborate on that, you'll sound really clear to the callers that you're talking to, not like a Dalek on the old school tech. Exterminate! Let's put a call into the VVX450 to see how it behaves. As you can see from the high definition display, you can quite clearly see the telephone number of the caller. From here you've got an option to answer on the speaker or reject the call to forward to voicemail. You can also simply pick up the handset and that'll answer the call. Okay, so as you can see, easy to answer calls, and it also supports headsets too. We actually missed that call, so we can see on the screen now that we have one missed call notification, and if we simply press the down key on here, we are given a list of the missed calls that have been taken on the phone. The VVX450 is nice, quick and easy to access your received, missed and dialed telephone numbers. The 4 buttons below the main display can be used to access a variety of the phone system features, such as redial. I can quickly go into this section and redial a number that I would like to call again. I could forward and select my forwarding type, click the back button to return. If I wanted to place myself on do not disturb, a very quick way to do that is press this soft key and you're actually alerted that you're in do not disturb mode. Press it again, the feature is revoked. If I click the feature more, then I'm given access to some further features within the telephone system. So as I said earlier, the VVX450 is easy to use and gets the stuff you need. And there you have it. The VVX450, a beautifully crafted phone with a whole host of business communications features. A couple of worthwhile bolt-ons to talk about very quickly. The VVX450 can be Wi-Fi enabled for those areas where you've got lack of cabling or what have you. And also, let's not forget the EM50 expansion module, which is ideal for a receptionist console in your office. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe to the channel and ding that bell to be notified of any future videos that we've got. If you'd like to give us a call, please do so on 08000 322 322, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget, we are the business communications experts.